Hey, is that Bill?
Yeah.
Do you remember me from school?
I'm sorry, I don't remember you. Did we study together?
Yes, and we lived in the same dorm too.
Really? What floor did you live on?
I lived on the 9th floor. You lived on the 7th floor.
Is that right? How did you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
It's alright. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, we mixed together. It's nice.
Monica.
Monica Shells, right?
Yes, see? So you do remember me.
So where did you live now?
I live in an apartment.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I share my apartment with an old friend.
A friend? Is your boyfriend?
No, she's an old friend from school. We've known each other for many years. And what about you, Bill? Where do you live now?
I live on an apartment by myself.
Oh, do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's too noisy.
Oh, maybe you should complain it with your neighbors.
Oh, no. I'm the person who makes the noise.
Oh,